Ladies and gentlemen, and all welcome, the street dance performing group number 3. And Pagding Upon Elementary, I think. Don Pinamina Nandong Senior Memorial Elementary School and National High School. Once again, performing group number 3.
Kadanlog, isang isda na bumutol. Maito man ang panit, pero namit siya kaunon. Asal ng pamala, ang inyong malutoon. Paborito ginsangan, ang pantag sa banwanahon.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the performing group number 3 from Don Pinamina Senior Memorial High School and Elementary School. Thank you so much to Ma'am Salvacion Pueyo and Ma'am Arlene Salvan. And of course, yes, wala na sila tinatuha. Yes, ang choreographers. The proud choreographers of all our performances are the proud teachers of the school's district of Zaraga.
So